If you are looking for a way to make extra income online, then this video is for you. So in this video, I want to show you how to make over 200k from arbitrage, dollar arbitrage tutorial. First, what is the meaning of dollar arbitrage? Dollar arbitrage is how you can buy a dollar at low price and then sell it at high price and make more money in Nigeria. So if you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So the two websites we are going to use now is called number one, the Wix website, and also the second one, which is the Binance one. So first thing you need to do is to check the link in the description below, so to get your own free $50 from Wise account. And also, if you don't haven't registered for Binance account, this is a new opportunity to register and verify both accounts. It doesn't require more time. It will take you less than 10 minutes to do all those things. So what are the things that you need for this dollar arbitrage? Is number one, a MasterCard of any bank or a Visa card. So if you have any of both, then you don't have a problem, and this tool free for you. So make sure you watch this video each step-by-step tutorial and don't skip any of this video to understand how I go through this and how I solve each problem. How I pass through each step without getting any problem. So if you watch this video, then I think you will understand everything. So first thing you need to do now is to register on Binance. If you have registered on Binance account, then that is great. So the second one you need to do is to register on this Wise account. So click the link in the description below and continue to register for your own Wise account as soon as possible. So after you have register for this thing, so the thing you need to do is to load this account, which is click on so let us go to the front page. So you can just go here and click on your euro. Okay, after you click on your euro, click on add money. So after you click on add money, so you can just, maybe if it is $97 or $100, then you can just proceed with it. Okay, so if you want to up 70, so click on continue. So after you continue, as you can see here, this is how much you will be deducted from your accounts that you use. So just click on continue payment, and after you complete this payment, everything will be transferred into your account without any problem. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to, after your payment has been completed, go to your Binance account and click on markets, click on P2P, click on P2P trading. After you click on P2P trading, there are some settings that you need to do here. Switch your account to a pro mode on your phone. So the thing you need to do is to click on buy. Since we are going to use the money on the Wise account to buy, so click on buy and change this thing to euro. Okay, this is euro, and click on euro. If you are using mobile phone, then you will see something like a funnel. So you want to click on that funnel on your mobile phone. If you are using a mobile phone, you want to click on funnel on your mobile phone. Coming. So as I said, you want to click on funnel. Let me check. Okay, you want to click on funnel that is in the right top corner of your phone and enter the Wise. So click on Wise. This transfer Wise is also the Wise. So click on it, and also at your top right corner, you can change the currency from Nigeria to euro. So after then, and make sure you do something. This only show merchant ad. Unclick it so you can get a low rate. So you can see. So let me show you merchant ad now. It will be like 0.08. But if I unclick this merchant ad, what we show is 0.87, right? So you can use this and continue. So after then, you can click on buy USDT. So maybe, let me say how much you want to pay. Let me say we load $70, and $70 is already in our account. So we are going to input the $70 here. Okay, this, I think this thing is like very low. I think the available is okay. They say buy limit is local. Let me just use that as an example. Then click on buy. Then after you click on buy, you will provide with the email and the IBN of that person. Okay, let me see if I can still see recent order that I made here. I think I send in euro. Okay, I think this is okay. This guy. So what I do, okay, I transfer to the Wise account. I think the bank account shows somewhere here. So if that person doesn't provide you email, it will be provided with IBN. Okay, just click on send and get the IBN to that person. Let me see. Okay, I think I need to verify my ID there. I think I'll okay. If you show verification, then you can continue with the verification and done. So if you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So if you are having a problem for this, just let me know in the description below. And if you want to know another card that can work, or maybe some card can work, kindly subscribe to my channel because I'm going to provide more video about dollar arbitrage trading. So which you want to subscribe right now and know more about. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Don't forget to share these tips with your colleagues, and thank you for watching again.